In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print Miro boards. This can be incredibly useful for sharing your work, presenting ideas, or simply filing a hard copy for future reference. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step, ensuring that you get the best results for your specific needs. Start by opening your Miro board that you wish to print. You'll want to locate the three-dot menu icon, usually found in the top left corner of your toolbar. It may look like a simple set of dots, but it's packed with options that will help you export and share your board in various formats. Click on these dots, and you'll see a menu appear. Navigate through this menu until you find the Board section. Once you're there, hover over or click on the Export option. At this point, you're presented with a couple of choices for how you'd like to save your Miro board, either as a PDF or as an image file, such as a JPG or PNG. Each option has its own benefits, so let's dig a little deeper into what might be the best fit for your situation. If you choose to save your board as a PDF, you'll see that there are further options for file quality. You'll want to think about what your priority is here. For the highest resolution, go for the best option. This will ensure that everything is crystal clear, and any clickable links in your board will remain functional, which can be particularly useful if you plan on sharing the PDF electronically. However, be aware that this option might result in a larger file size. On the other hand, if you're looking to conserve space and don't mind losing the ability to click on links, you might opt for the small file quality. This will give you a lighter file, which can be easier to email or store if you're short on space, but you'll sacrifice those embedded links in the process. Now, if you decide to export your board as an image instead, keep in mind that this will typically yield lower resolution visuals. This is something to consider if the sharpness and clarity of your graphics are important for the final product. Image files can sometimes be compressed, meaning that while the file size might be more manageable, the quality might not meet your expectations if you need high-resolution prints. Once you've made all your selections, go ahead and complete the export. You should now have a file you can print or share with others. Remember that each choice you make in this process will impact the final quality and usability of your printed Miro board. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now ready to print your Miro boards with ease. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch up in another video soon.